Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In Sahih al-Bukhari chapter 62, Umar radiallahu anhu says, build mosques and build them in a way that protect people from rain. My dear brothers and sisters in the community, the Islamic Center Masjid Al-Sabereen is in a severe need of your help. As you see, we are in the middle of a process that replaces a roof that costs about $50,000. Please donate generously to help. This is your masjid as well as our masjid. Donate generously to help fix the roof and protect people from the rain during the holy month of Ramadan. Inshallah, jazakumullah khair.
Brothers and sisters, please donate to the masjid project, the roof project, inshallah. We need as much money as we possibly can get to achieve, I think, $48,000. So please, inshallah, please donate.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brothers and sisters, we are in need of your help currently. As you can see, the ceiling is leaking and there's puddles of water here, here, and over there. With your money and with your donations, you can help fix this.
من ذا الذي يقرض الله قرضا حسنا